Are you feeling cramped in your home? Dreaming of extra space but not sure where to start? You're not alone. Imagine waking up in a sun-drenched room, sipping coffee while watching the seasons change, or finally having that home office you've always wanted. These dreams can become reality with the right home addition. But before you start knocking down walls, let's explore your options. First up, we have room additions. This classic choice involves extending an existing room or adding a new one entirely. It's perfect for growing families needing an extra bedroom or those wanting a dedicated home office. Next, let's talk about sunrooms. These bright, airy spaces are a homeowner favorite, offering a taste of the outdoors without braving the elements. They're often more affordable than full room additions and can be used all year with the right heating and cooling. For those looking to maximize existing space, garage conversions are an excellent option. They're often quicker and more cost-effective than building from scratch. However, weigh the pros and cons carefully. While you gain living space, you might lose storage or impact your home's resale value. Now, before you get too excited and start swinging that hammer, there are some crucial factors to consider. First and foremost, local zoning laws and permits. Always check with your local township office before starting any project. Next, let's talk money. Costs can vary widely depending on the type of addition, materials used, and labor costs. Energy efficiency is another key consideration, especially in our Pennsylvania climate. High-performance windows, top-notch insulation, and smart home technology can lead to significant long-term savings. Plus, who doesn't want a more comfortable home? Choosing the right contractor is crucial. Look for someone with proper licensing, insurance, and experience with local building codes. At Wrona Construction, we pride ourselves on meeting all these criteria and more. Thinking about resale value? It's wise to consult with local real estate professionals. They can advise which additions offer the best return on investment in your specific area of Montgomery County. Now let's talk timelines. Typically, planning and design take 1 to 3 months, construction 2 to 6 months or longer for larger projects, and final inspections about 1 to 2 weeks. Before the work begins, prepare your home and family. Clear the construction area, plan for temporary living arrangements if needed, and don't forget to inform your neighbors. A little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a smooth process. In conclusion, home additions are an exciting way to breathe new life into your living space. Whether you're dreaming of a sunlit sanctuary or a cozy new bedroom, the key is careful planning and working with experienced professionals. At Wrona Construction, we're committed to helping you create the home of your dreams. Remember, your home is more than just a building. It's where life happens. Make sure it fits your life perfectly. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be coming out with more helpful home improvement videos soon. Until next time.